Today I'm gonna make him like a 面疙瘩.
The English translation would be gnocchi. So I think we're just going to call it
Taiwanese gnocchi. So we use flour, water, and salt.
So there's no egg for this one.
No, actually you can put, but normally we don't. Because I'm gonna make him like a full portion. So maybe like 500 gram.
Approximately.
Yeah. And one pinch.
Just a pinch of salt.
And the water, and pinch. But normally the water I will put like slowly, and I will mix up like this.
Do you need it like liquid, or as long as like the flour is going to be intact together?
Intact together.
Do you need it to make it soft? Not soft, but smooth?
Yes. This gonna rest like 30 minutes, and you can cook it.
Keep kneading until it becomes smooth, then cover and let it rest for 30 minutes. While waiting, cut and cook the vegetables, dried mushrooms, carrots, and the curry.
We put the oil first. The first one we're gonna put the dried mushrooms in soaking in the water. And the carrots. Mix in the cabbage. Pour liquid from the dry mushroom. Keep stirring until cooked. Add hot water and simmer. This is the dough. Actually, after take a rest. Okay, so it will be very soft, as you can see, and the skin will be very smooth.
Like my skin.
What? Okay. Now we're gonna do how to cooking the 面疙瘩 now. As you can see, I put a hot water straight away. You can saving a lot of time boiling water. So I will pitch like this small dough separate first into the pot. This one, because we put a lot of dough on the top, and it will keep boiling. So I need to stir them, and we're waiting it to boiling like 1 or 2 minutes. So it's almost boiling. So now I'm gonna do the sizzling now.
Okay.
Because it is like a small, and you can see it's almost like a cookie. You can see the color is changed already. So it means it's almost cooked. So white pepper a bit, black pepper. And even like kids or you don't like white or black pepper, you don't need to put. Almost ready. So you can see the dough is start floating. So it means on the top is being cooked. It means already cooked. So we can eat now.
Yeah. See you, because we're actually going to prepare. Yeah,
We are gonna eat.
Woohoo!